Let's see how to install and uninstall Zoho for Windows. First, open your browser and type zoho.com. Once the page opens, click Access Your Apps. Now, on the top right corner, click the three dots, then select Cast, Save, and Share. From the options, click Install Page as App, and then click Install. That's it. The Zoho app is now installed on your desktop. To uninstall, open the Zoho app from your desktop. Once it opens, click the three dots again at the top right. Then choose Uninstall Explore All Products. Finally, click Uninstall, and the app will be removed from your system. Simple and quick. That's how you install and uninstall Zoho for Windows. Your idea deserves a clear path forward. Share your vision with us, and we'll create the next step workflow to help make it a reality. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.